Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into a market update, a ton of bullish momentum, a ton of optimism, and a ton of alpha coming to you in this video. Let's take a look here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting at 90,000, still within that range. Didn't pull back as many were anticipating yet. We see here on the 4-hour time frame, we do have this level of support. Pay attention to that level. Right now, we did pull here and we made a higher low. So I'm not worried about higher lows that are made. We didn't make a new low. It's fine. A higher low, pulled back down to about 87,000, was a higher low point. Came up, didn't make a new high, which is okay. I'm not really concerned. But definitely want to be cautious if we break a higher low point, just to be on the safe side. Be mindful of that, and we are looking at those levels, but bullish all the way. And I think we're just getting started, guys. This is actually around the same time in 2017. This is around the same time when a friend of mine told me about XRP. All right, called me, told me about XRP. And they were like, oh, take a look at this. And I'm killing it trading wise, right? And I'm killing it on other means, just doing well. And told me about XRP. XRP was, or I think at the time it was called Ripple. Ripple was at 2 cents. Okay. We can actually scroll back here probably and find it. just to circle back here. 2018. Okay. So you can't, it doesn't even go back here on, because I guess maybe it wasn't on Binance, but it was at 2 cents and shot up from, and then by the time she called me back, she said, hey, remember I told you about Ripple, this project called Ripple. Ripple shot up to like $2, something crazy, right? And so, I'll never, here it is, found it, boom. All right, so around this time, she told me, it was around November. It was like around this time, exactly. Yep, here we go. Exact point right here. Called me, told me right before Thanksgiving, called me, hey, Ripple's at about 2 cents. Right, what was it here? Where's she? Okay, so down, that's okay. She told me earlier. It was about 2, it was something crazy. Okay, let's say even here on this markup, it was 15. So for some reason, I have 2 cents in my head. So whatever, maybe it was earlier than that. I know it was around this time. And I guess she got in for anywhere from 2 cents to 8 cents somehow, some way. And she pulled out because I said, no, I'm not interested in that. I'm not dealing with that, right? Man, she called me. She said, hey, if I would have invested in Ripple, that thing shot up to $3. I'll never forget that. And that was my introduction to crypto. You guys wonder when I got into crypto, how I got into crypto. This first project I ever heard about. Missed out on Ripple. Shot up to just about $3 and pulled back ever since. And then SEC lawsuits and all the nonsense. But that's where we're at now. And now this is where we are now. So don't know why I brought that up, but that is what happened to me. That was my intro to crypto, and I've been in ever since. So November 2017. So it's been a little bit, 7 years now. So wow, 7 years. So seeing a good bunch, continuing to learn, and honored to be open-minded to the opportunity. I wasn't open-minded at first, as you can see. I missed out on Ripple, but eventually I was open-minded before it was too late. And a lot of people are going to miss the boat, and that's unfortunate, but you have an opportunity watching this video to not miss the boat like I did for a couple months. So Gary Gensler here in this article, Gary Gensler could join BlackRock after resigning. Experts think spot Bitcoin ETF could surpass 100 billion as ETL pumps 300%. So Gary Gensler's BlackRock move and what it means for crypto. Speculation is growing. SEC chair stepping down after Donald Trump's election win. Historically, SEC chairs have resigned before new administration takes office. Insiders believe Gensler could follow this pattern. If he moves to BlackRock, this could bridge the regulatory knowledge with institutional finance in a way not seen before. BlackRock's pretty much one of the goes. Everyone asks who controls what. From what I've been reading, it's like 3 companies. It's like BlackRock and like Vanguard and maybe another company, and they can pretty much control everything. And bringing him on board, I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't know. I just don't think it's a good. I don't think he has a good rep right now. Pretty much, dropped the ball in crypto when he could have been revolutionizing and leading not only the country but the world when it comes to impact. So, we'll see about that move. XRP, $100 billion opportunity in spot Bitcoin ETFs. I agree with that 100%. I think it's going to grow. I think there's a ton of opportunity, and people are finally taking advantage of it, and you have an opportunity to ride the wave. You'll make people like, oh, I can't afford Bitcoin, right? If you pick the right altcoin, that altcoin will make you enough to get Bitcoin. You can roll it right over to Bitcoin, sell it for Bitcoin. That'll get you your Bitcoin. Trust me. So cryptocurrency trader turns 1.1K into 1.6 million in 20 days. Guys, I've never done this before a day in my life, ever. I've never picked a coin and it did that type of return. Let's see which meme coin. So it was a meme coin. Let's see which meme coin it was. So pretty much 1.1K. So $1,100 into 1.6 million in 20 days. Who did it? So through a piece of identification opportunities, a cryptocurrency trader capitalized on the ongoing market momentum, record over 1,400-fold returns in initial investment. Anonymous investor turned a modest 1,100 into 1.6 in 20 days. Data shared on Look On Chain November 17th. The trader began with an investment in Solana meme coin Eurothlithin A URO late October. Spent 4.35 Solana to purchase 16.44 million URO. Okay. And then doubling down on the belief in the token, they converted all their meme coin holdings into URO. The investment paid off. Crazy. The URO holdings are now worth $572,000, yielding 714% return. Crazy. The trader also made significant gains with Rifa Pinson, RIF, investing 1.8 sold there. And then, maneuvering resulting in that earning in the IRF, he earned 3,503% return. Crazy. Now listen, I don't know how you catch moves like this. I'm gonna just be honest with you guys. Like, for me, I've never made that much in that short period of time. Everything I've made, I've hodled through bull markets. I have doubled, I have tripled, tripled, maybe 10x maybe, but no 100. What, in 20 days? No way. Never did that. I'm not even gonna sit here and pretend like I have, guys. Not even gonna sit there and cap. No cap here. I've never done this before, so it's very exciting. Rising meme coin popularity. So the growth generally stemming from popularity, Solana-based meme coins, and the overall bullish sentiment across the cryptocurrency market. Meme coins have been among the market's biggest performers in recent weeks, as highlighted data shared by Ali Martinez post on November 16th. So pretty much there's a post here, and we can dive in and see the performance, right? The performance in memes, layer ones, AI, gaming, L2s. Meme coins are killing it right now, guys. Meme coins are killing it by far when it comes to overall games and performance, right? And so that's what we're seeing in this article. We're seeing someone who pretty much capitalizing on the meme coin market. Now it's risky. Most people are not gonna perform like this, just being honest. But here he's saying, for instance, such listings evident with Peanut the Squirrel, which joined the $1 billion market club following listing on Binance. So that is one thing that I definitely pay attention to. Are they on Binance yet? Because as soon as they get on Binance, that volume, boom, immediately. So we see here that possible insider trading incidents have been reported with meme coins such as GOAT, Daddy Tate. So they're in on it. I don't know. I mean, is it really insider? I don't know. I mean, it's really just who has the best information. Is it considered insider trading though? I'm not sure. They're calling it insider trading incidents. It's crypto, guys. It's, if like these Coinbase listings that are coming, someone had information before that was made public. someone made moves for that. Like, you see, it happens, guys. So I'm not gonna really dive into all that. You know, just get some information, look at probabilities, look at who can afford to get listed, you know, because you got to pay to get on to Binance. So you know, gather as much information as possible, make an educated decision, do your own research. Now, for me personally, I do have a handful of meme coins. You guys know my favorite meme coin is Floki. Gonna probably give you some updates on that. But overall, you know, our gains have been made by hodling and holding through a bull market and cashing out, and you know, cashing out those returns. So very excited to see that people are making life-changing income. So now that they've made it, now the strategy is, how do you keep it? That's the big play, keeping it. Making it with crypto isn't that hard. Keeping it, on the other hand, that's when it gets a little funny. So definitely excited to see people change their lives. Looking at crypto bubbles here for the day. Good amount of activity going on here. But overall, you know, very excited to see, you know, just green, guys. We've been waiting for this bull market for a long time. So now to see it, and now to be a part of it, and now to, you know, document and be a part of this journey with you guys, super honored. But one altcoin I definitely want to talk about again is Hedera. Hedera making big news. We see here the Trump crypto tax. So with that crypto tax, a capital appreciation tax-free bill for American crypto such as HBAR and XRP proposed by President Trump would effectively put 37% tariff on meme coins and non-American crypto. Big. Having a crypto president, this is going to set the stage for not just the United States, but for the world and other countries around the world, because they're going to see how to embrace crypto, and that's going to set the standard for other countries as well. So very excited about this. HBAR and XRP, a ton of news about these two projects, and think about the criteria of these projects and why they're being selected to pretty much partner with the United States. Like XRP, Cardano, HBAR, why are they being selected to partner and join forces with the United States, right? So when we look at other projects, right, you look at other layer ones or other projects that are providing value, have that criteria, because it's really going to set the standard for what others can adopt and the scalability of that, right? And that we talk about Solana, right? There's a reason why Solana is not on this list. Not just because it's a foreign blockchain, right? There's a reason why Solana isn't really being adopted by other countries either. There's a reason, right? Think about the quality of work that's been done for these projects here. Think about that. XRP is being said to replace the Swift banking system, the legacy Swift banking system. HBAR, major partnerships already with Google, you know, IBM, right? Proof of stake, Cardano, scientific approach, peer review methods, taking their time, doesn't really fall into the hype, right? So just be mindful of that. Like, you know, yes, it's very bullish to have a crypto presence, very bullish to have this adoption that's said to be coming, but look at the quality, and you have an opportunity to get, you know, your hand around these projects early by just looking at that criteria, because you could see it a mile away. And we see here another article from Sean here. HBAR's governing council companies Google and Mondelez are reportedly working on crypto Oreo edition Pixel 10 powered by Hedera. Both Google and Mondelez, Oreo's parent company, have not only previously worked together on Android 8 Oreo, but also sit on the Hedera council. All right. We see here Google hosted HBAR governing council meeting in their headquarters, Silicon Valley, earlier this year. A few weeks later, Oreo parent company joined Hedera. It's writings on the wall. The writings on the wall. Okay. So definitely an opportunity. And we look at Hedera on CoinMarketCap. It's already shot up to 30. It's in top 30 now. All right. And it's at 10 cents. All right. So you had all this time to pack your bags. And that's what's frustrating, right? You know, I had a couple friends get in. But now I'm getting all these messages. How do I buy and all this stuff, guys? You had all this time to accumulate. We've been talking about Hedera since it went to 2 cents. We were talking about it. All right. Or not 3 cents. Went down to 3 cents and it's been staying within 3 to 8 forever. Shot up, came down 3 to 8 forever. And now it's pumping, guys. Now it's pumping. So, still, from a risk to reward ratio, nowhere near its all-time high yet. All-time high sits around 40 cents. And still a ton of opportunity. But, we believe that, we'll see this, the next market cycle, but you had a ton of time to accumulate these projects. And, there's still time because, we look here on the chart. It's nowhere near its all-time high. There's still time. There's still time, guys. Definitely wanted to share these market updates with you. Not financial advice is what we're looking at, and definitely want to give some value. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.